Okay, things that I have here but don't have in Scotland. I mean, some food, obviously. Studentsky boni. We don't have anything like this in Scotland, so it's really nice to have that here. I don't know. It's quite similar. Actually, probably here, because I mean, in Scotland it's very grey and dark all the time, which can be a bit depressing. In South Africa it was a bit too hot, and in Sweden it was a bit too cold, so here it's just nice because it's sunny most of the time, and sometimes it rains a bit too much, but apart from that. I mean, I miss my friends quite often, and I miss sort of speaking with people in my dialect, or so sometimes, because I mean, I'm lucky that I can speak my own language with everyone in different places, but you know, I have to change the way that I speak, and sometimes I want to tell a joke or something, and it's I don't know, people don't get it. No, I haven't. Not really. I went swimming in the sea, but that's quite normal. No, I should be more adventurous and try these things. I don't know, I mean, everybody always says how bad Scottish food is, so it's funny that you call it rich. I really think it's similar, actually, because we also eat lots of root vegetables, and, you know, like turnip and potato, and lots of sausages, and, I mean, the sausages are different. And, wait, what else was I going to say? Oh, and fish, like, we also eat similar kinds of fish. So. Yeah, sure. So, well, St. Andrew's Day, like you said, is our patron saint day. So it's, I don't know, it's kind of, we don't really have a national day, so it's kind of equivalent to that, I guess. But it's not as big a deal as like St. Patrick's Day, for example, but we still have some celebrations. And Boxing Day, yeah, that's the 26th of December, and it's supposed to be when, so we celebrate Christmas on the 25th, really, more than the 24th. And then, you know, traditionally you're supposed to go to church all day on the 25th, and then, so the 26th is the day where you go home and open your presents, basically, and have a nice time. But nowadays, people open their presents on Christmas Day mostly, and the 26th is just another holiday to relax and eat lots of food. And the other important holiday we have is Robert Burns Day, Rabbie Burns Day, which is in January, and I never remember if it's the 21st or the 27th or the 26th, but it's somewhere there. And so we celebrate the poet Robert Burns, and normally you're supposed to have a haggis dinner and recite poems to the dinner. So you say, like, there's the ode to haggis while you're cutting the haggis, and then the Selkirk Grace is like a poem you say before you eat. I find Slovenians mostly really friendly and really funny. Like, it seems, you know, when I just interact with people on the street, they're always very happy to talk and smile, and I don't know, always happy to have a joke. Or I sometimes even feel a bit serious because they seem to want to joke all the time. I don't know, I'm a bit shy, so I sometimes feel a bit serious. Yeah, no. Slovenians are great. No, generally Slovenian's English is really good, and I mean, like, there is a Slovenian accent, but it's not heavy and it's not hard to understand. Really. We have, actually, it's different with the different school levels, and it might even be different now from when I was at school, because I think they changed the grade system. But when I was at school, it was, I don't remember in primary school. I think it was like 1 to 5 in primary school, and then, so in high school you do important exams after 4 years called standard grades. Oh, well, not anymore, they've changed it, but, but when I was in school it was standard grades, and then it's also 1 to 5. And then in 5th year you do hires, and that was A, B, C, D, or E as well. And then 6th year advanced hires is the same, A, B, C, D. Yeah, I took a course when I first arrived for 3 weeks. Yeah, it was really hard because it's a lot more complicated than English, obviously. And the sounds are quite different, and the words don't look anything like in English mostly. It's not like learning French or German or something where the words look really similar. So it was hard, but I liked it. It's quite, I don't know, I like making the different sounds that we don't have. I think it's quite a cute language.